Okay, so I just had the random urge to make a car tier list. Sorry I couldn't do this on my computer because I literally just could not. So, oh my, this has everything. Oh, they even have the two car brands that I love actually. Oh, they have all the cars that went out of business? Oh, that's nice. So I still get to rate them. Okay, so first up, Fiat. I don't know. I actually don't know. Let's just say B tier. Next, Alfa Romeo. Another one that I have never experienced, but they look nice. A tier. Acura. They probably, let's say A. Citroen. I don't know. It's a Swedish company, I think. I don't know. Can't read it. D tier. Chevrolet. Oh my. S tier. I love these. We have a Corvette in our garage, actually. Looks really nice, except it's broken. Elite. Have no idea what that is. D tier. Volkswagen. Oh, I've never experienced that, but Das Auto. Let's see. Oldsmobile, one of the car business that went out of business. Let's say A tier. Honda. Well, A tier. It's fine. Ferrari. C tier. They're good, but they're way too expensive. The heck are you? I don't know what you are, but you're going in F tier. I can't even read that. I'm not very fluent with cursive, so I can't even read that. D tier. Renault. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Let's say C tier. Plymouth. Oh my. D. I've never had one. Rolls-Royce. I've never had one, but they look good. And they're really expensive. Mazda. Let's say A tier. A tier's good. Infinity. My neighbor used to have a QX. I don't know. It might have been an old QX80. I don't know. If that's even a thing. Yeah, it might be a thing. Infinity. B tier, I think. Kia. S tier. I've never had one, but I love their videos. It told me a lot about how to use a car. Not even a Kia. Maserati. Let's just say B tier. I don't know. Porsche. A. Hyundai. Ooh, that's a good one. Let's say B. Ooh, Mercedes. A. TVR. No idea what the heck that is. So D tier. Oh, Puga. I don't know if I'm saying that right. D. Lancia. S. Well, not S. A. Yeah, A. Just because of a movie. Ford. Oh, God. Ford. A. My grandpa has an Explorer. Dodge. S tier. Challengers. Oh, yes. Audi. Did you just hear that? It was a little boop. It's fine. Audi, probably B tier, actually. American. Lexus. S tier. We have two of them. Lotus. Let's say B. Jaguar. I guess. Oh my, so not used to this. Back. Back. Just back. I don't know, so it's going in C tier. Mercury. Another one that went out of business. I think it deserves an A. Oh, a GMC. Say, B. B sounds good. Ram. B. Oh my, I need to. Jeep. Let's say B. Let's go Jeep with, oh, not F. I don't want F. B. BMW. Yeah, no. Just no. Oh, Volvo. Never experienced them, but they're big in, like, Japan or something. We don't have a lot of Volkswagen dealerships here. Not Volkswagen, Volvo. Jeez. Messed up with the V's. Let's just say B tier. B tier. Buick. A, probably. I've never experienced one, but my mom had a Buick Skylark. Shelby. A, I guess. Tesla. Well, let's put you up in this tier. Tesla, it's electric. I don't want to pay for gas. But actually, no, I'm moving you down to A tier because of battery incidents, we must say. Who the heck are you? F. Bugatti. Oh, shoot. Oh, my. I think Bugatti's overrated. Bugatti's overrated. B. Oh, Holden. Australian height. Ow, shoot. Why did my right hand just lock up? I'd say B. I've never experienced. Toyota. S tier. S tier. Totally. They never stop driving. Yeah, Toyota. I'm not even kidding. Toyota, if you're watching this, good job. You're doing a good job of keeping my mom's car alive. It's 16. Going on 17 soon. Breath. Let's just say, C tier. Oh, Hummer. D. I mean, they look cool, but they're gas guzzlers. Oh, God, they're gas guzzlers. They're really big gas guzzlers. Eagle. Oh, my. Okay, Eagle. I don't know it, so it's going in D. Pagani. I feel like Pagani's also overrated, so it's going in A, I guess. What the heck are you? Mini Cooper. Mr. Bean. Wait, is it Mr. Bean? I think it's Mr. Bean. Yeah, it's Mr. Bean. I haven't watched him in a while. Nissan. A. Whatever. Opel. Never experienced it. So it's going in C. Subaru. Okay, I gotta put it in A tier just to scroll up. S tier. Subaru is so good. Land Rover. Yeah, A tier. A tier is good. Claire Automut. What the heck are you? Ooh, Saab. My dad used to have a 9.5. That was so, just because he had it, I'll put it in A tier. Plus, surprised that the pillow that he got with it is still standing today. Lamborghini, really overrated. C. Bentley, really underrated. A. Koenigsegg, overrated. C. Lincoln. Oh, I gotta put it up here first. Scroll up. Lincoln, S tier, I guess. Well, I mean, Lincolns are good. Didn't I? Okay. Oh, we're not even in there. Smart. Smart. Just no. It's not. I mean, I'm good thinking about the car design, but God, no. Cadillac. Hold on. I gotta put it there just to scroll up. Cadillac. I feel like it's an A. Cadillac is an A. Scion, the one that Toyota owned and killed in 2016. The B, just because they killed it. Aston Martin. Let's say C, I guess. Oh, moving on to my two favorites, Saturn and Pontiac. Saturn. Oh wait, I gotta scroll up. Saturn is my favorite. I've never experienced, but I'm thinking about buying one. Saturn, S tier. You literally never have to service. Well, we don't have to service them often, but it's just so good. Plus, they're dent proof. Perfect. Pontiac. Wait, I gotta scroll up. S tier. Pontiac Firebird, so good. Those are my two favorite car companies that went out of business, Saturn and Pontiac. Plus, they went out of business on the same day. Fun fact. Suzuki. You don't see a lot of those on the road anymore. Went out of business, I think. Let's just say B tier. Mitsubishi Motors. I see that they make AC units. My grandma has one. Believe it or not, they make AC units. Probably A. And last but not least, Chrysler. Oh, and I gotta scroll up. Chrysler. A. And download my tier list. Wait. Oh my, it's way too long. Oh, okay, that's actually download image. Oh. Well, I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. So, that's it. Bye.